watching NotesIn9.
Hello, and welcome to NotesIn9. I'm David Leedy. All right, before we get started, if you want, please subscribe to the channel, hit like, or hit that notification button thing on YouTube. Why? Because everyone says that helps, and that's good enough for me. Okay, episode 208, Introduction to Ninite. Why? Because lazy is good. So, what we're going to talk about today and have a brief demonstration on is Ninite.com. And what that's used for, it's used for setting up PC software. So you go to this site and it gives you a list of, maybe there's 100 applications and development environments and things there that you can just put check marks next to each one of them. And then you can automatically download an installation and an install file of all those files in one shot. So you don't have to go to this website. You don't have to go to this website. There's no baggage with it. There's no malware that I've seen or researched and found. It's just a service. And why do they do this? Well, they've got a pro version. So the initial version is it's just once and done. You pick what you want and then you install it. But the pro version, if you subscribe to that, I guess, then of these particular software pieces that's out there, then they have some software that will help keep things up to date. So if you got like 100 users out there and some of them never update their laptops or their software, so this can help maintain and force them to be on current versions. All right, so with that being said, let's go to the demo. Okay, so what we have here is a brand new Windows 10 installation. Nothing's been done to it other than Windows updates. And we're going to go out to the site called Ninite. So I don't even have Chrome on here. How sad is that? Oops. Let's see. I don't even like this browser. So we're going to go out to Ninite and use that to help us get this new machine up and running. So what Ninite is, as far as I can tell, there's two flavors of it. One is what we're going to use right now, and that is to basically click which apps we want, and it's going to install them for us. And then we're going to go our separate ways. It doesn't keep them updated for us. It doesn't install crap on the side for us. It just helps us this once and done time. There's a pro version where it does more and it helps keep you up to date, I guess. I've never really touched the pro version. So what we're going to do is we're going to just come down here and pick the apps we want. And this is not for Mac. This is Windows only, as far as I'm aware. So I'm going to want Chrome. Let's see. I don't really care about anything imaging currently for this machine here. TeamViewer. A lot of the classic ones are here. Classic Start is I'm not going to put that on. I've played with that a little bit. That kind of makes Windows look like the old way it did and stuff like that. It's kind of nice. I'll put Discord on and Skype just to have on since those are kind of popular. Zoom, I wouldn't talk to anyone in this particular machine, but Zoom would be a good one probably for today's day and age. You've got your Dropboxes, you've got your development environments. I'm going to put on Visual Studio for now. I might come back for Eclipse later at some point or install that manually. Media, I don't really care about anything here. I do love Handbrake though. If you're working with video, Handbrake's a great application to have on hand. Compression, I don't really need anything. It's probably all built in. Run times, etc. You get the point. Malware bits in the vast. I think that's all I'm going to do here. So what have I checked? Three different applications. It looks like, yeah, that's good enough for now. So we're going to say get your Ninite. And it's going to basically download a little file that we use to install it. And if we look at this, what do you want to do with this? So we can run, we can save. Let's just save it for now so we can see what it looks like. And then we'll open the folder. And it gives you this little folder with the names of the applications that you're interested in. And then we just double click on that. And we can close the Ninite website now. And we'll say yes. We'll close that. Show details. And it tells you exactly what it's doing. Okay, and then when it's done, we hit close, and everything is installed and ready to go. So we can fire up Chrome and go to any kind of website we want. We can launch our code editor. And that's basically it. So what we have is just a kind of quick way. If you've got a new machine, and you want to get a couple of common apps involved rather quickly. You can certainly look into Ninite. All right, that's the demo. I hope you liked it. If you need anything from me, here's my contact information. And again, if you like the show, please subscribe or hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And I thank you for your time.